How to fix iPhone lag after updating to iOS 17. If you're struggling to find out how to do that, this video is right for you. Firstly, tap on Settings. Now scroll down and find the option called General. Tap on it. Scroll down again until you find the option called iPhone Storage. Kindly tap on it. It will now show you all the data that you have consumed, and maybe consider deleting all the big data that are consuming your system. Check on everything that are consuming your data and figure out. In this way, you can automatically fix all the lag after updating to iOS 17. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.